Born in 1967, invented by the late Amarjeet Singh Tibb, inspired by the Lebanese pita roll in Beirut. He flipped it into a desi style, soft roti Indian spices, and named it after a West Indies cricketer. Yes, Frank Waller, whose name he heard chanted at a match. And just like that, a legend was grown. Now, before you ask, no, we couldn't get an appointment with Tibbs Frankie. Sad, a little, but here's the twist. Mumbaikars say Tibbs is famous, but the best Frankies, they are hiding elsewhere. So we asked around, we hunted, now we eat.
Hello, namaskar, मैं हूँ Rahul, and today we are in Mahim, right next to the beach side, and we are going to try something which is very popular here in Mumbai called Frankie, one of the most popular places, which is the Harish Frankie Corner. So let's go ahead and try that out. Here we go. Guys, the name of the place was in the maps and everywhere is Harish. But if you look at the name right here, it tells you Sri Nandadeep Biscuit Mart. But in love of the owner, people call it the Harish Frankie. So here we have one side, a chicken tikka with based chips. It seems very interesting. They mix the layer chips with chicken tikka and you make this inspire Frankie, which I think so Harish Frankie thing. Let's try it. The front of the wafer and the chicken. You better really awesome. But they've seen that they don't lose the authenticity of the Frankie. The Frankie is there. Yeah. You get the complete authentic flavor of what a Frankie has to be. Yeah. That's the reason why this place is popular. It's famous with a full of butter and a lot of chicken in it. Delicious. Yummy. So, what makes you come here to eat your Frankie?
It's delicious and it's cheap.
Okay.
It's worth the price.
It's worth the price. So, how regularly do you come?
Once in a month.
Monitored by your parents?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it's once in a month.
Yeah, no, like I even play sports.
Oh, okay. That's right. Then you're not supposed to. Fantastic. And you love this Frankie.
Yes.
Is this one of your favorites?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
एकदम बढ़िया था, बहुत अलग था। मैं आज से जैसे तो फ्राई खाया ही नहीं हूँ, बहुत अलग। और नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करेंगे और। चलिए नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं तो कस्टमर के जैसे आऊँगा, एक रिव्यूअर के जैसे नहीं आऊँगा, ठीक है? Thank you, sir. So let's go to the next Frankie joint, which is in Andheri. Let's go ahead and let's try them.
Roll to roll, Mumbai to Mumbai, let's go. From the mainstream to the botched.
So here we are at Lizz Frankies, right here in Warsaw, close to Andheri. And let's talk to Miss Lizz Fernandez about her Frankies and what she has to tell about. Tell about the product. Nice product.
Hello.
Good evening, Miss Lizz. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Now tell me, how did you start the whole idea coming up?
I love Frankies.
Okay.
So that was my first craze of Frankies. Has a child, first thing I would like to have for grab or Frankies. And it's very convenient. You know, you have your roll, you grab it, and you just move on the road. So that's how I built the taste for Frankies. And always had, this craze of opening up something usually for the people to know the taste of
Okay.
And the best place to do it was to start from the streets. And now from the streets, I have certain which is a meat shop where I sell my products, which is trying. I have momos, I have burgers, fries, and all the others. Also, you can try salads. So they're all homemade Frankies. They are different colors and different qualities, except for the vinegar that we have in the coffee. No mayos, not food, but all of the three flavors. I have a list of Frankies here. Like we can the classic, the Szechuan, the chicken tikka, pahari, zafran, malai, or the all homemade Frankies. Pahari, so they all taste. You can try them on.
Done. Beautiful. So what are you going to feed us with?
Anything that you would like, you can take.
What would you suggest?
Going for the chicken tikka, chicken kawa.
Okay, done. So you prepare something what will suit our palate perfect.
Right, sure.
All right, thank you.
Hold on.
Get it. Thank you. So let's give it a shot, guys. Freshness of the onions, very saucy. Still a complete Frankie, yeah. No ways, you cannot say that this is not a Frankie or something. It's a beautiful Frankie. Loving it. A very saucy structure with a lot of mint in it. And the nice thing is you're putting a lot of seasoning. Wow. I'm loving it. This design of Frankie was wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you soon. So here we are, guys. Up with the Frankie tour.
As we have come to the end of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't pressed the icon bell, please do that too.